Wrapping presents a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common activity during the holiday season and on special occasions: wrapping presents. We'll learn what it means, why it's done, and how it's a part of English-speaking cultures. So, let's dive in. Wrapping presents refers to the act of covering a gift in decorative paper or material before giving it to someone. It's a way to conceal the gift, adding an element of surprise and excitement. In English-speaking cultures, this is a common practice for birthdays, Christmas, and other gift-giving occasions. In many English-speaking cultures, wrapping presents is more than just covering a gift. It's a way to show care and thoughtfulness. The effort put into wrapping a gift is often seen as a reflection of the giver's feelings towards the recipient. It's also a fun and creative activity, especially during the Christmas season. To wrap a present, you typically need wrapping paper, tape, and scissors. Some people also use ribbons and bows for extra decoration. The process involves measuring and cutting the paper, folding it neatly around the item, and securing it with tape. Creativity plays a big role here, as people often like to add personal touches. For beginners, wrapping presents can be a bit challenging. It's important to choose the right size of wrapping paper and fold the edges neatly. If the paper is too big or small, or if the folds are uneven, the wrapped gift might not look as appealing. Practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on wrapping presents. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Remember, wrapping presents is not just about concealing a gift. It's a meaningful gesture that adds to the joy of giving. Happy wrapping, and see you in our next video.